Hi guys, and today we're gonna talk about my Philippine coins. First up, on 20 pesos, Manuel L. Quezon, and we see the Malacan Palace. Next one is well, I'm gonna recommend Juliano Mabin, and I don't know what is this, but it's okay. Third, we have Andres Bonifacio, and I forgot. Okay, and let's look at the back. We see that flyer. I don't know what it is. And finally, we have Jose Rizal and the tree behind him. And this is the centavos. We have the 25 centavos in the back. We have this one. And the last one, the 5 centavos. That's for all, guys. Bye bye.